No more ways to verify Google Business. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can verify your Google Business if you don't have any more options. As you can see, here is my business and I also don't have an option to get it verified. In this case, what you can do first is head over to your web browser and then you can search for Google Business. Once you search for Google Business, it will show up Google Business Support. So you are just going to search for that. And once you do that, you will get this link as a result, support.google.com. You can directly type in that URL as well if you want. Now you will be landed on a page something like this. And if you scroll down a bit under Browse Help Topics, you will see certain options like verify one several businesses, fix verification issues. You are just going to click on the second option and it will take you to this page. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will see contact us option, so just click on it. And here, if you already have opened any business, you will have an option to select this one. So I'm just going to select the store, and after that you can tell them what happened. Like you can just type in something like there is no more option to verify business or something similar to this, and if you tap on next, you will be taken to the next step where you have different options which will choose the best description of your issue. I'm just going to choose the second one where it says category isn't available. Now if you tap on next, you will get to the resources section where you will be directed to different help articles that you can read, and if you click on next step, you will have an contact option. Here you will see two options. First one is to chat and then second one is to get a call. So this one is recommended. So once you click on it, here you will have to enter all of these details, and once you do that, you will have to copy the URL of your map link where you can find it. As you can see, it's also showing up right here. And if you have any business website, you can enter it right here, describe your issue shortly, and you will have to enter your related case IDs. After that, you can just click on submit, and Google's help and support team will contact you through your email and bring out a possible solution. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.